Hello. Whenever you've seen an ad about animal testing/cruelty, has it ever made you think how those animals are feeling? Or how you think you can make a change towards putting a stop? Animal testing should be banned because it can save the lives of animals as they're being put through experiments that are hurting them. And sometimes the product may work on an animal, but it doesn't mean it is safe for humans to use. For myself, whenever I see an ad about animal testing and all that, it makes me sad because these animals are being used against their will. And for me, I would want to make a change in any way I can. Taking a step into putting a stop towards animal testing can save many animals' lives, as you can make a change for the better and can make you feel as if you made an impact towards this issue for a good reason. Firstly, I would like to talk about what is animal testing. Secondly, I will talk about switching to purchasing cruelty-free products. And lastly, I will present the benefits of putting a stop to animal testing. Now, let me move on how animal testing can be important, how banning. The problem is that testing on an animal is a big problem that we need to be aware of, as animals are being taken advantage as being test subjects for many experiments. Animals are being used for experiments on products before it's even released. As from the Humane Society of the United States, it claims that government agencies often seem to prefer companies carry out animal tests to assess the toxicity of products such as industrial chemicals, pesticides, and medical devices and medicines. Animals should not be used as product subjects because the data can be inadequate. There are many animals being experimented on every year, as is stated by the Humane Society International in 2023. It is estimated that around more than 115 million animals worldwide are used in laboratory experiments every year. There are many different breeds such as dogs, cats, fish, monkeys, rats, birds, and etc. that are being as test subjects. Unfortunately, with animal testing being tested against their will, there is always a change by switching the products that you use. There can be a change that we can make in which we invest our spendings on products that we use in our everyday lives. Cruelty products can reduce the amount of animal testing and save the lives of many animals. Certain products can work on an animal, but does not mean it is effective towards a human. Cruelty-free products tend to be healthier and contain significantly less chemicals than other non-cruelty-free products on the market. This means not only will you be helping save animals, but you'll be using items better for your skin, according to the Baltimore Beyond Plastics in 2024. There are benefits towards using cruelty-free products, such as from the Science Direct in 2023, the cruelty-free label signifies products on practice that abstain from animal testing. In addition to preventing animal testing, these products often offer several environmental benefits, including reduced use of chemicals, resulting in a lower carbon footprint. And cruelty-free products can become very safer for people, as there will be less harsh chemicals in the products the person is using. Now that you have learned about switching to cruelty-free products, I will tell you how there are benefits towards why animal testing should be banned. There are different alternatives and organizations towards removing animal testing for good. People can develop alternative ways that products can be tested on that are not used towards animals being experimented on. According to the RSPCA in 2024, using simple organisms such as bacteria to study basic bioprocess is another alternative to stop animal testing. And finding alternative experiments that researchers can conduct can have a major effect and step into putting a stop towards animal testing. And as to alternatives, there are organizations that you can find online or from different shelters and all that want to put a stop to animal testing, as from PETA in 2021. However, behind the scenes, with that money could be contributed to immense suffering, as in that if you don't want to make a support donation from paying a stop, the animals will suffer. And then there are different organizations that you can sign up for, such as the Humane Society International, People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, the Johns Hopkins University Center for Alternatives to Animal Testing, and the National Anti-Vivisection Society from the Momentum in 2024. With the right steps towards stopping animal testing, we can make a significant impact into making a difference in our world. In this speech, I had discussed what is animal testing, switching to cruelty-free products, and how to put a stop to animal testing as you can make a change. There could be a moment in your life where you have a bad experience using animal-tested products. And you can encourage anyone in your life to make a small change, such as one of the products we mainly use in our life is Clorox wipes that aren't cruelty-free. And you can find online organizations by just signing up and not having to donate money, or even having the chance to adopt an animal who's been used as a test subject. You can make a great change towards saving many animal lives if you make a small step into putting animal testing to a stop. Thank you.